Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can stabilize a video in DaVinci Resolve. So firstly open up DaVinci Resolve and choose a video. So as you can see now there is a lot of shaking in this video. Now I'm going to show you how you can remove the shaking from this video. So firstly go to Inspector tab over here and make sure to select the clip down here, then scroll down, then double click on stabilization. Then simply click stabilize. It might take few seconds or minutes according to your system, so just wait. So if I play this video now, you can still see it's still very shaky. So what you can do is, to remove this shakiness, just simply click on camera lock, then again click on stabilize. So after the camera lock setting, if I play this video, you can see there is no more shaking in the video. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.